How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video I will show you how you can turn off shuffle, which means the songs playing randomly on Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the sad news about this is that previously Spotify used to have a feature that was called shuffle, and we would be able to go ahead and then actually turn off shuffle even if we were on the free version. But however, on the recent update, Spotify has changed their guidelines and their terms of use, which means that now in order to skip some kind of songs or in order to not get ads on Spotify and to listen to music freely on any order without shuffle, you have to subscribe to the premium service. Now this is a really sketchy business on my part, but that's just the truth of this video. I will show you what the issue is over here as well. If I go ahead and then open up Spotify, let's say that you don't have a premium, right? Previously what you used to have the option was, let's say I opened up a specific song and then I played a song over here. When I played a song, I would be able to go ahead and simply turn off shuffle and directly play the next song over here without having me go through any of the random songs in this case. Now over here I can only skip some kind of songs per hour. I will not be able to skip all songs per hour. This is simply how it is going to work on Spotify. So if you want to turn off shuffle, all you have to do is you have to go ahead and then actually subscribe to premium, because in this case you can see the shuffle icon over here, right, little bit right below the play icon. But if you tap on it, you will not be able to tap on this icon and then turn off shuffle in that way, because that is simply how Spotify has made the new app to work out. If you want to subscribe to premium, then you can come to the premium tab, tap on the get premium option, and then you should be able to go ahead and then pay a certain amount of fee in order to get your problem solved. But just for today's context, Spotify doesn't allow you to turn off shuffle unless you subscribe to premium. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.